Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be doing stuffed pork cube steaks. And what you're going to need for this is, I got 6 cube steaks. If you get really good sized ones, you're only going to need 4, but I got some small ones, so I'm going to use 6. They go up there, so 4 to 6 cube steaks. It's not going to be too much to adjust it more. As if you use 4, it'll be a little bit over on the stuffing part. Alright, well, let's get on with this. Okay, you'll need a tablespoon of paprika, smoked pepper. I got the smoked paprika, and a tablespoon of garlic powder, a small or medium-sized apple, and an onion, which we'll chop up the onion and the apple, and need a half a cup of dried cranberries, a box of the pork, stovetop stuffing, the pork seasoning with it, and you'll need to cook that to the with the instructions here, which comes with a 1.5 cups of water and a 1/4 of a cup of butter. So we'll go ahead and start working on this, and I'm sure it'll turn out great. So let's get on going here, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes here when we start working on everything. Okay guys, I just got one thing to add to it. Need to get you some toothpicks, because that'll come in handy when we do the stuffing part. So we're going to wash off this onion and the apple. Okay, we'll take our apple core, take that out, and we will chop up this apple. Here. You can peel it if you want, but I like keeping the skin on things when it comes to apples and fruit. I just like the look, and it adds to it a little bit. I like it. So, but alright, the next thing we'll do, cut it this way, get a good chop on it. Had a piece of the apple run away on me. Alright, so here we go. We'll just throw it on this paper plate for the time being. Next thing we'll do is we'll chop up our onion, just take the ends off. and just all that skin off there. Yeah. Let's go ahead and peel that first layer off. Alright, there we go. And we'll just chop this up as well. Alright guys, I'll finish cutting up this other half of this onion, and then we'll work on the next part of this. So I'll see you guys here in a few minutes. Okay guys, first step we're going to do, I already got this frying pan starting to warm up a little bit. Oh, we're going to go ahead and put the apples and the onions in here. And we're gonna get them cooked up a little bit, and while they're getting done, we are going to get our we got the water starting to go. We're gonna put in our butter and let that get melted as well. So, alright guys, well, I'm going to let this heat up, and then we'll go on to our next step. Take just a little bit. We're just going to want the onions to get a little bit clear, and apples will be alright, because what they don't cook here, they'll cook in the stuffing when we add those to the stuffing and then the pork chops. So, I'm going to let this cook for a little bit, and then we will be right there. So just take a few minutes. I'll see you here in a little bit. Okay guys, got the onions and apples are cooking pretty good right here. So I'm going to and the water is boiling here, so I've just turned the water off the heat a little bit, and we're gonna open up this bag here, and hopefully get it open. We're going to go ahead and put our stuffing in there and get the breadcrumbs mixed in there. There we go. And we'll go ahead and put in our half a cup of the cranberries in there as well, and get that mixed in there in the stuffing. And then we'll set that aside, and we'll finish cooking up the onions here, and once they're cooked, we'll mix those in the stuffing as well. Okay guys, this looks like it's done, so I'm gonna go ahead and kill off the heat there, and then we will take this up here, and this smells so good guys, and we'll just scrape this apples and onion mix into our stuffing. And whatever you don't use in the middle of the cubed pork steaks, you can put on the side and makes a great side. So we'll just sit that right over there on there. And we'll just get this mixed together, guys. And then we'll work on assembly and getting it into the oven, which I got preheated to 350. And this will make sure it's got good mixed in here. So you got good flavor on everything here. Okay guys, now I'm going to go and we're going to assemble everything for the oven. So here we go. Okay guys, we got our stuffing here. And that just smells so good. It looks good. Alright guys. Well, got that good mixed in. So what we're going to do now is first thing, I'm going to lightly spray the baking dish that we're going to put in. I'll get the glass baking dish here. Of course the oven is preheated to 350. So we're going to get a few of these out here. And we're going to put in our stuffing there, and we'll just take this up, wrap it around like so, and we'll just take a toothpick, slide it in there, then just sit it in the pan. So I'm going to finish up with these here, and then I'll show you what it looks like in the end here. So just give me a minute to finish this up and I'll show you the pan. Okay guys, there we go. And on that, and we're gonna actually I should have put should have put this on beforehand, but we're just gonna lightly coat the outside with the, I should have put this on before I put the stuffing in, which normally a lot of times I don't maybe put the seasoning on there, but we'll put it on, get it on there, make it look pretty, tastes good all the way. Alright, so, but we'll just add a little bit of flavor to it. Normally you want to do this before you do the stuffing part, but alright, well, part of cooking is making the best with what you got. And go ahead and stick that little in there and that. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven at 350. So I'll see you guys here in about 30 minutes. 350 in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay guys, I've left these cool a little bit. Just look at that. These are the stuffed pork cube steaks. So turned out really good. During the whole cooking process, it smelled so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a piece here, and we're gonna give it a taste test. Man, it just smelled so good cooking this. And I know I messed up with putting the seasoning on after I put the stuffing on. You want to do that before you do it, but you know, I'm sure it'll still taste good the way it is. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. So here we go. It is good, guys. Alright. So, it's got a great flavor with the seasoning on the outside. I used the garlic powder and the smoked paprika. So that's really good. You use onion powder, sage, ground thyme as well. It's anything good that goes seasoning that goes good with pork. And put in the onion and the apple and the cranberries in the stuffing. Just really added to the flavor as well. So this is really good. I enjoy making this for well guys, this was the stuffed pork cube steak. Just really something really simple, really easy to make, and really good. And whatever stuffing you got left from stuffing the pork chops, you can put that on the side as well, and just makes a really good side to this as well. So okay guys, if you would like, please take time to comment the video if you've tried this and let me know how it turned out for you. Also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also if you'd like to catch more cooking videos like this, which I try to get out on Saturday. I've been a little bit off my schedule because I got some other stuff going on, but usually get them out on Saturday, and I'm trying to get back on my schedule, so it should be here shortly. Okay guys, well, so take time to subscribe to the channel. You can catch the cooking videos like this, and you can also catch my taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos as well. Well guys, I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and I'll catch you on the next video. I'm going to finish this up, now I'm going to go take care of some other stuff. So I'll see you guys later.